Today is Labor Day, Monday, September 4th, 2017. This is the track of Hurricane Irma. It's way down here. Comes up here. By Monday of next week, over 7 days from now, it's going to cross right over Florida. That's the projected path. And I believe in the projected path because the meteorologists also predicted the path for the hurricane Harvey that hit Houston, Texas. And they were right on. It followed the predictions they made. So it's coming up South Florida. That's me, right there. Right there. So I will be waiting for this hurricane.